Hey everyone, the Codeium team is super excited to announce our latest feature, Chat. As you can see, I have the latest version of our VS Code extension up on my screen, and on the left we have a brand new panel. It's called Codeium Chat. It's an AI assistant that can help you while you're coding. So to demonstrate the power of what we can do with this chat, I've gone ahead and cloned the Next.js boilerplate in TypeScript. And as you can see, we can run yarn dev, and you'll see over here that it's a blank canvas. We can do what we want with it. So in our demo, we're going to add a button that changes to a random color when we click on it. So we're going to open up our chat panel and ask our AI to write this for us. So write me a TypeScript React button that changes to a random color when you click on it. And as you can see, it's starting to generate the code that it thinks we want to use. It also prints a description of what it thinks we need. So if we go ahead and copy this code, go back to our navigation, we're going to add a new component called button, paste that in there, and it looks reasonable, random color button. And if we go back to our main page, type in the file name, random colored button, and now we have a button that changes to a random color. Let's make this a little prettier. So we go back to button. We can do a few things. There are now these tooltips right above the function names. And let's say we want to go ahead and generate a docstring, because this one actually didn't come with any documentation. Go ahead and click that generate docstring, and now you can see our chat on the left is going ahead and generating, I guess in this case, the entire function again, well commented, so that we can have cleaner, nicer code that other people can read. And if we hover over this, you'll see that it's well formatted and does its trick. Let's refactor get random color. Right now it's using a hex, but suppose we want to do something with RGB, or maybe RGBA. So we'll go ahead and press refactor. You can say use RGBA instead of hex. And in our chat, we're actually going to regenerate that function, but with RGBA. So we'll replace this. And right now, our A is also a random number. Let's say that we want to fix the value of A, just so that it's easier for us to see. If you go back over here, we now have a more transparent button. We can do pretty cool things, like refactor, make this prettier, because who loves prettier buttons? Make this prettier and use Tailwind CSS. So it's going to do that, and it'll regenerate the function. So probably the thing that we care about is down here, this class. There we go, a much prettier button. We can also add logging to this, and it's pretty cool. You can see just how good Codeium is at predicting what we want. So just to verify that we do indeed. There we go. And so that's just a quick example of using the new tools that Codeium can provide, such as refactor. We can explain functions. Say we don't know what this function does, we can press explain. I'll go ahead and explain it in the chat. Generate docstrings. And when you start marrying this with autocomplete, you can really speed up your coding workflows and level up your coding abilities. So I hope you all enjoy using this chat. There are going to be plenty of features to come, but we want to get this out to you as quick as possible so that we can start collecting your feedback, seeing how you use it, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.